No.
How about this McDonald's sign across the street from my job today? This is a Reddit post posted in mildly interesting. Someone has rearranged the letters on this McDonald's sign to say, "Can I get
That hits me.
that gets
hits
you?"
me. Yeah, because
you can relate.
I'm sure you do it too. You get to the window, you're like, can I get a medium regular?
Imagine how old that gets if you're actually working with a headset on.
You're probably like, just know what you want. You wanted the same thing every day.
But it is an odd timing thing, the drive-through thing.
Yeah.
You have this board there, and the person is ready to go right away.
Yeah.
Taking the order. There is no time to peruse.
Yeah, and even if you do know what you want, you get up to that board and it's like shiny things popping off.
Maybe you
at
want this.
You're like, I don't know. Maybe I do want the fries or the BTS meal.
Maybe I do.
Yeah.
Look at that promo.
You could get
right.
Yeah. It's a lot
so
coming at
so
you.
it's a tough one. But if you're here's the thing, this never happens for Will.
Why is that?
Part because he goes into the app.
Oh,
and he peruses.
I do the in the app.
Yeah, but he peruses as long as he wants.
What does the look like in the app? Are you like swiping up, swiping down, swiping up, swiping down?
Yeah.
Or just hovering.
Or you add and then take away.
Did any of you guys actually ever have this job of a drive-through?
No. Mo did.
Mo did. Do you have personal experience with the
I worked night shift, so I was never really bothered. It was actually kind of exciting when people showed up to buy stuff.
Oh, okay. He's saying he had a lot of fun with it. And in the night shift, people were more assertive. They knew what they wanted.
Yes.
Cool.